Closures are nested function, so we will take the example of a nested function. Let's make a function outer function and let's put text as the argument. So nested functions are function which are defined inside another function. So I am making text is equals text. Let's make a function inside outer function, that is inner function, and we'll just put a print statement inside it. Print, let's print text, and now we will call the inner function. Let's make if statement if name equals main, and then we'll call the outer function, and let's put the text as hey. So let's run it. So you can see hey has been printed. So these non-local variables can be accessed only within their scope and not outside their scope. So now we'll take the similar example for closure. So we'll define the outer function here also. Let's take outer function, and as above I'm going to take text as the argument. Let's make text equals text. Let's define the inner function. Inner function, and here also we'll just print the text, but here we will return the inner function and will not use any parenthesis. But in the above example we have used inner function and parenthesis. So let's make the if statement if name equals main, now I am going to make a variable my function, and we'll call the outer function from here. Outer function, let's put the text here as hello. Let's call the my function. So let's run it. So you can see hello has been printed. So you have observed from this code, closures help to invoke functions outside their scope. The function inner function has its scope only inside the outer function, but with the use of closures we can really extend its scope to invoke a function outside its scope.